Hi, this is Cassie Hartstrong, and I am using an iPad with the TD Snap app and want to show you how to add visual supports into different pages. So first I'm going to go to the dashboard, and you can find the dashboard either right here on the left-hand side. There's also a little dashboard icon in the top left. And if I touch this supports button, it has a few supports available, and you want to copy these visual supports and recreate them in other places. So I'm just going to touch them so you can see what they look like. A mini schedule, a first then chart, and you can also add a script in there and just to kind of see them in action.
First, turn on water. Next, put soap on hands. Then, rub hands together. Last, rinse and dry hands.
So those are some examples. And I want to put a first then chart into my foods to use at mealtime. So I'm going to touch edit up in the corner. I'm going to select this first then. I can copy it and then touch done. And then I'm going to go into my foods and I'm going to add that button here on my foods page. So back to edit, and I'm going to push paste, which is this little clipboard with the document on top. And then we have a first then button here that we can edit. So here in the first step, we can put eat, and there's a picture which I'm okay with, but say I want a different picture, I can search and find different pictures that say eating. I'm just gonna try for food and search for my own picture. I like this one. Done. Move my keyboard here. We're gonna save it, and then recess. I don't like that one either, that picture, so I'm gonna choose that one. Okay. Save, and now to get out of my edit mode, I'm gonna touch done. If I wanna move that somewhere else on the page, say I want all my first thens right down here, I can go back to edit mode and just grab onto it and drag it over here. Oops. There we go, done. And now in the corner here,
First eat. Then recess.
I have my first then chart just integrated into that page. One more way that you could do it here is we go back into edit mode, find the button that you want the first then chart to be at. So say in this case, we're gonna first eat, then go home. We can say, let's just try eat, then home, just to remind us. And then instead of speaking the message, I'm going to add action and go down to visual supports and push first then, and we select here to fill out the form. So we can title it First Eat, then Home. Here we can have eat, then home. And then done to get out of there. And when I touch this,
first, eat, then, home.
we have another first then option. Okay, hope this helps.